to land 07. 7 WestJet 2702.
Yeah man, greetings everyone. This video is from the 21st of July, the same day when MBJ would have had the shutdown. A lot was happening before the actual shutdown took attention away from everything else, like the thunderstorms which were right on the threshold of the approach of the airport. This video has a 757 doing a go around. This 757 would have returned later for a landing like I've never seen before, with the main right landing gear door still open when it landed. I brought this 757 landing back because I know a lot of you would have missed it, just like I did until a subscriber Dale mentioned it in the comment of the shutdown video. Bless up Dale.
Vacate next to right.
Non-Alpha WestJet 2702.
West of taxiway, echo behind the JetBlue route.
Southwest 919 ready for departure, runway 07.
Southwest 919, wind 080 degrees at. Cleared for takeoff 07.
Takeoff runway 07, Southwest 919.
Push and start approved. 919, airport time 11, contact approach 20.8, have a good day.
18, thank you, good day, Southwest 919. For JetBlue 2427 on the RNAV 07.
JetBlue 2427, have a good day, wind is 21 knots, clear to land runway 07.
Yes, 07, JetBlue 2427.
Blue 2427 arrived 20, vacate on the Bravo next right on clear contact ground 1.7.
Exit Bravo, contact ground, JetBlue 2427.
0 degrees at 19 knots, you are clear to land 07.
07, Southwest 292. Good afternoon, this is Copa 147, hold your runway 07 ready for departure.
147, line up on runway 07.
Line up on runway 07, Copa 147.
Southwest 292, on time 22, vacate on Bravo, contact ground 217.
217, Southwest 292. Southwest 292 on Bravo, we're headed to
292, again that's ground 217 and Alpha hold short of Echo.
Hold short Echo, sorry I forgot to switch.
147, wind 070 degrees at 20 knots, clear for takeoff 7.
Takeoff runway 07, Copa 147.
Airborne time 25, approach frequency 120.8, bye bye.
20.8, Copa 147, bye bye.
064 degrees at 21 knots, clear for takeoff runway 07, remain north and clear. We do have multiple traffic joining 12 mile final.
Clear for takeoff 07, will be north and clear after departure, November 808, Delta Tango. This is Sunwing 792 on the RMP 07.
792, sangster, good day, continue approach runway 02, traffic, Cessna 206, just departed, traveling opposite direction to you, north and clear, just waiting on the Cessna to confirm visual with you.
Continue the approach for Sunwing 792 and keeping an eye outside, and we are now in line for runway 07.
Delta Tango, just let me know when you have visual with that number 1 traffic.
You know when we have the traffic inside Delta Tango.
792, wind 070 degrees at 21 knots, you are clear to land runway 07.
07, Sunwing 792, thank you.
We have another Delta Boeing 752. He is crossing, he's about to join a 12 mile final as well. Do you have that, the number 1 Boeing 738 traffic inside it?
DME for the number 1.
Miles out on final.
Visual with the number 1, looking for number 2, Delta Tango.
Understood. Airborne time 31 for Delta Tango, contact approach 20.8. Have a good day.
Delta Tango.
Delta 1997, runway 07.
Delta 1997, tower, good day. Continue approach runway 07. Do you have the fuel inside?
Not yet, we don't, Delta 1997, we'll continue.
792, arrived at time 36, vacate on the high-speed Bravo. When clear, contact ground 121.7.
1217, exiting Bravo, showing 792.
Delta 1997, wind 070 degrees, 190 knots, you're now cleared to land runway 07.
Clear to land runway 07, Delta 1997.
And Delta 1997, you should have the field inside, can you confirm?
Field is in sight, Delta 1997. United 1146, 2 miles from Bolt.
So 1997, alright, that's the standard miss approach, that's that's direct relay up to 4,000 feet. Contact approach 20.8.
We're on the go, we'll contact approach Delta 1997.
United 1146, thanks to Tara, good day. Alright, continue approach runway 07. Expect landing clearance shortly.
You approach United 1146. United 1146, wind check.
Wind is 080 degrees at 20 knots. Copy. The 1146, did you copy the wind?
08020 for 1146.
United 1146, you are cleared to land runway 07.
And runway 7, United 1146.
5, RMP Roman 7.
American 975 Tower, good day. Continue approach runway 07.
Runway 07, American 975. Contact 1349 with you at holding position Alpha, Roman 7.
349 Tower, roger. Hold short 07. Confirm fully ready for departure.
Yes, ma'am.
United 1146 on time 41. Vacate on Bravo next right and clear contact ground 121.7.
21.7 when clear, United 1146.
975, wind 070 degrees at 21 knots, clear to land 07.
Roman 07, American 975.
And the landing traffic line up behind and wait 07.
The traffic line up and way behind, runway 7, American 1349.
American 975 on time 44, vacate on Bravo next right. When clear, contact ground frequency at 121.7. Good day.
Kilo Bravo 217, American 975. Yeah.
1349, a wind 070 degrees at 19 knots, clear for takeoff 07.
7, American 1349.
Two ready for departure.
JetBlue 522.
JetBlue 522, line up runway 07.
Runway 07, JetBlue 522.
American 1349, airborne time 46, contact approach 28, have a good day.
Approach 28, American 1349, good day.
JetBlue 522, wind 070 degrees, 19 knots, cleared for takeoff, runway 07.
Runway 07, JetBlue 522. We are just outside of Bolt for runway 07.
1997 Tower, good day. Continue approach runway 07.
Change you on approach, Delta 1997.
Delta 1997, wind 070 degrees at 18 knots, cleared to land runway 07.
7, Delta 1997. 57, holding short 7, ready.
857 Tower, roger, hold short 07.
07, American 857.
Behind the landing traffic on short final, line up behind and wait 07.
The landing traffic, line up and wait, runway 7, American 857.
JetBlue 522, airborne time is 48, contact approach frequency 20.8, good day.
JetBlue 522.
And 857, hold your position, don't move another inch.
Okay, we are